Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can unzip files in Google Drive. So maybe if someone shared with you this zip folder, as you can see right here, or you just uploaded this to Drive and now you can't open this, there are two ways what you can do. Either you can use a Zip Extractor add-on, or the manual way I wouldn't recommend is just you can just basically right click and you can download this. Then you will have this on your desktop. And if you're on macOS like me, you can just double click on the file and it will extract it, and then you can upload it right into the drive. All right, but this is a slow method. If you're on Windows, I forgot to mention, you want to right click and extract. So instead we are going to use a method with the add-on inside Drive. So you want to right click on this file, open with, and you should have suggested apps, and one of them is a Zip Extractor. So you want to click on this, it should redirect to this new website. Then we want to authorize our account with this add-on. So I'm going to choose my account, continue. I think you need to allow this access if you want to make it work. Then click on continue. It should load then your zip folder from the drive here. Once this is uploaded right here, you can see you have all of your files from the zip folder here listed. And you can decide if you want to extract all of them or just specific ones. So I can select, for example, only those files. So I'm checking everything, extract to drive. Now I just want to wait for it again. You can see some progress bar here. It extracted already 5 files out of 7. Okay, so after this is finished, you should see this button View Files in Drive, or you can just go to your Drive and you can refresh it. And here you can see all of the files. So it created basically the copy of each file. So if you want to rename this, you can just manually rename this one by one and remove this. Or if you have really a large amount of files, you can use again add-on. So you just want to go to Google Workspace Marketplace and you want to search for Smart Bulk Renamer, this option. And if you open this, you want to install it. And after that, you are going to be able to rename multiple files at once. So I can, for example, select those 2 files or 3. Then you can open this with this extension, start renaming. And here in the type, we want to remove. You want to type the number of characters to remove. So as you can see, it's showing you this preview. Okay, so now we have this copy of removed. I also added by mistake this other document, but it doesn't matter. You will click on rename files and it will basically remove this copy of, and that's it. So this is basically how you can unzip files in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.